I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Clash Royale on MuMu Player. First, head over to the official MuMu Player website and download the installer. Before you begin, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This initial step is crucial for getting your emulator ready for action. With MuMu Player successfully installed, it's time to get Clash Royale. Open the emulator and locate the Google Play Store icon on the home screen. Click on it, and then use the search bar at the top to find Clash Royale. Once you see the game, simply click the Install button. The game will then download and automatically set itself up within the emulator, just like on a mobile device. To ensure the best possible Clash Royale experience, let's optimize some settings. Within MuMu Player settings, I recommend allocating at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores for optimal performance. Additionally, once you launch the game, navigate to its in-game graphics settings. Setting these to medium or low will significantly improve smoothness, especially during intense battles, giving you a competitive edge. Now you're all set to play. Launch Clash Royale directly from the MuMu Player home screen. For enhanced control, take advantage of the keyboard mapping feature to precisely deploy your troops and cast spells. This can make a huge difference in your gameplay. Finally, always ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection to prevent any frustrating lag during your crucial online battles. Good luck, and have fun clashing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.